The code M7974 in the Bobcat loader means that the door switch is sure that the door is open. When you see this code, the machine may have reduced functionality of the hydraulic equipment, since a lot of Bobcat models have a safety system that registers if the door is completely locked, and if it's not, the machine goes to some kind of limp mode and only works partially. There is usually one culprit for this, and it's the door switch, or Bobcat calls it door sensor. Also, the door sensor wiring may need to be inspected, but in the majority of cases it's actually the sensor that is faulty. Fortunately, the sensor itself is not expensive. It's about $50, and you will also need two new rivets to install it properly, which cost about $3 for two pieces. If you have a forestry door, your Bobcat will require a special type of door sensor that is even less expensive than a standard one. After you install the new sensor, it's very easy to check it. Start the engine, then open the door. You should see the lift and tilt lights go on, and also the word door on the display. Now close the door and the lights should disappear. Also, if you're getting this code in the middle of nowhere, you may decide to disconnect the door sensor, and in most cases the machine will keep working with the lift and tilt functions available and with no other problems.